Guys, this might sound a little bit random, but I think I've actually found one of the first proper budget projectors that doesn't feel budget when you actually use it. It's called the Magic Cubic HY310X, and honestly, after testing more projectors than I care to admit, this little cube really surprised me. So stick around and I'll show you exactly why back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scenes Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, if you're anything like me, you've probably tried a bunch of cheap projectors over the years, hoping to get that home cinema feeling without spending a fortune. Some are too dim, some lag, some sound like a jet engine because of the fans in them, and some just never look as sharp as the box promises. I mean, I'd honestly given up on finding a small, affordable projector that actually looked good. But this HY310X from Magic Cubic, yeah, this one does things a little bit differently, and it feels like it's punching way above its price point. Now guys, before we get into it, I was asked to take a look at this Magic Cubic HY310X projector on behalf of AliExpress and give it an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we've got. Guys, open up the box and you're greeted with the HY310X projector itself. And you know what? It is tiny. It's got this 180-degree rotating base, which is actually super handy. And on the back, you've got your essential ports, USB-A, HDMI, and your power connector. Then guys, inside the box, you've also got your paperwork, the power cable, and a simple remote control with your standard navigation wheel, home button, menu back and volume controls. Everything looks clean, tidy and honestly, not bad at all. Only bugbear, no batteries. I mean, it only takes like a couple of AAA batteries, but you're gonna have to supply your own. Now guys, here's where this little cube gets interesting. This isn't one of those dim toy-like budget projectors. The HY310X is a full HD 1080p with 420 ANSI lumens, which is actually pretty bright for something this small. And what's cool is that it runs Android 11, so all of your apps are built right in. Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, the whole lot. When you power it on, the autofocus kicks in, as does the auto keystone, which fixes your angles within a couple of seconds and gets you nice and focused. You know what? In no time at all, you are ready to go. No fiddling, no adjusting, it just sorts itself out. And guys, the home screen is clean and simple, and the App Store has loads of options like VLC, Max Chrome, Hulu, and Peacock, and just a whole bunch of apps because it's Android. And from just 43 inches away, I was getting about a 62-inch display, which is perfect for bedrooms, gaming setups. I mean, even if you want to kind of go and sleep in the garden and stick a film on, you can, right? You name it, you can do it. Also, guys, casting from your phone or iPad is super easy. For iPhones, just tap AirPlay and your mirroring function, and for Android, just use the cast option. Look for the HY310X and you are off. Drone footage, photos, YouTube, films, series, whatever you've got, it all plays smoothly. And guys, if you don't want to stream, you can plug in a USB stick to play your own movies or even connect another device, a console, a laptop, whatever you want. No lag issues, no stuttering, everything just works. And when it comes to visuals, I tested a bunch of 1080p footage landscapes, dark scenes, colourful animations, and honestly, this little thing holds its own. The colours are vivid, the image is sharp, and brightness wise, it does feel spot on for the 420 ANSI rating. And guys, when it comes to the sound, at full volume, this bad boy is shockingly loud for a projector this small, and it easily covers the fan noise that it makes, and it fills a room without any distortion. So guys, there you have it. I wasn't expecting to be impressed by a tiny budget projector, but the Magic Cubic HY310X really surprised me. It's bright, it's sharp, it's super portable, the built-in apps work great, and that rotating base plus autofocus and keystone makes setup ridiculously simple. For a bedroom cinema, a gaming setup, kids movies, or garden nights, this is honestly a brilliant little option. And guys, at the time of this video going live, AliExpress has a ton of deals and promotions on for this projector. You can get some great savings by using my exclusive codes. I'll leave all the links and the discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And guys, if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.